this is what happens when it snows in Albuquerque. This is the highway. Oh, it's also rush hour. Going 30. It's just going a little too fast to be around the rest of these fools. I'm surprised we're actually going 30 even. It won't be long until we come to a dead standstill because a couple of these fools ran into each other.
Closed due to icy roads. You're not going through there. On-ramp is closed. I-25 northbound at Paseo. It's closed due to icy conditions. Now this is going to westbound Paseo. We got a lot of problems on the roadways. You may want to find some alternate routes. You see a problem? Call it 883-8369.
Ever wonder where your charitable donations are really going? At Unbound, you'll know who you're helping and what impact you're having on their life. Connecting people who care with people in need around the world. Learn more at unbound.org.
Triple your tax return at Integrity Automotive. Bring in your W-2s and let Integrity do your taxes and use it as an immediate